Okay, so for document camera setup, we've got the document camera box. Got a mat here that you can choose to use if you like, but inside the box you'll have the document camera itself. Okay, so take it out. Now, in order to get yourself to be able to use that, you're going to need the USB cable. This plugs into any of the USB ports in your computer. And you're also going to need power. And so the easiest way that we can get power is by using this power splitter. We unplug the power from our monitor. Okay, plug this one into here. One of these back into our monitor. And then lastly, this other plug into the power source bank for our document camera. Once that's done, we can then turn the document camera on by pressing the power button, and we're away. To get that camera display up onto the screen, the best app to use is the easiest one to use, and that's the camera app in Windows. So if we go down the magnifying glass down the bottom here, and we search for camera, the camera app is the one that will open, and you can see already that it's displaying what's up on my screen already. So now we've got the document camera displaying on the screen, we can make a few adjustments that make it more usable for us. So firstly, the camera arm actually just bends and maneuvers, and so I can manually adjust what I'm looking at. I also have the ability to use the digital zoom, which is located on the camera itself. The digital zoom does reduce the quality, but you'll find that the quality of the camera is quite good, so it doesn't distort the image too much. The next one that I wanted to point out was the focus tool. Now, the focus button is situated on the end of the camera, and it's particularly useful when we're going to a very, very close sort of zoom in. There's a little bit of light interfering with the image. If I press the focus button on the camera, it sharpens the image up and makes it much easier to be able to see. Now, what you can also see on this camera right now is there's a little bit of shadow on the document itself, and that's because the camera is shading the light that's in the classroom. Now, there is a light feature on the top of the camera which I can now turn on, which does light up what's underneath, but we often do get a little bit of glare. Now, if I want to take a screen grab of what's displayed up on my document camera, I can use the camera tool, just similar to how your phone camera would operate. And if I want to switch to a video, I can click the video tool. If I want to start recording a video, I just click this button, and when I'm finished recording, I just press stop. And lastly, the document camera has a microphone on top for recording videos.